Oh, oh.
Night so long, me eyes them weary,
Heart so heavy, we can't pretend. Questions deep, but just feel empty. Then you whisper, break the silence again.
you say, son, me there with you, right through the fire, through the flood. When I feel the ground start shaking, you are the rock under my foot.
You said, daughter, me still choose you, even when you stumble, when you fall. Every teardrop on your pillow, me and I catch them all.
So me now feel your presence all around me, me now shake. You hold me heart so steady,
You lift me up when me can't stand.
you hold me with your right hand, me now feel your love will wrap me tightly when the storm rage. You speak and you get quiet, you strengthen me so me can't stand. You hold me with your right hand, yeah.
Doctor said, me done now, me can do now.
Family fretting, them start by right there, so we not the middle.
Me hear you gently call.
Look to me,
Me, I'm your healer.
me I'm the first and I'm the last. Me feel the worries start to loosen. Peace I drive out the past. So me now feel
Your presence all around me,
me now shake. You hold me heart so steady, you lift me up when me can't stand. You hold me with your right hand, me now feel
I feel
your love will wrap me tightly when the storm rage. You speak and you get quiet, you strengthen me so me can't stand. You hold me with your right hand.
when we walk through valley shadow.
You are light upon the
We
way.
can't find word we pray.
Still you hear what my heart I say.
Do not fear, for me there with you. Do not dismay, me God, me near.
In your arms my soul stop trembling.
In your rest, me have to cheer. Hallelujah,
So me hallelujah,
hallelujah,
hallelujah.
hallelujah.
I feel
Not fear,
your presence all around me, me not shake. You hold me heart so steady, you lift me up when me can't stand. You hold me with your right hand, me not fear.
me not fear.
Your love will wrap me tightly when storm rage. You speak and it gets quiet, you strengthen me so me can't stand. You hold me with your right hand. Every step me take, you there beside me.